Welcome to Classic Klondike Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. We are at the very, very end of a game, and we got a little bit of a conundrum here. We're trying to figure out how to solve. Okay, we put this up here, and, what we want to do is learn how to use columns. Here's a column here, here's a column here, here's a column here, and of course here's a column here. What we want to do is use the columns, switch the cards back and forth to move the cards up to the foundation pile. You kind of do it one card at a time. Obviously there is no 8 of hearts, so it's not going to be hearts. It's going to have to be diamonds and clubs. We don't have a 7 of spades either. It's underneath this pile. The question is, can we push these cards back and forth in a way that allows us to solve this? Well, we're going to find out in just a second here. Alright, first things first, we know we can move a 9 of diamonds up top. We know we can move the 10 of diamonds up top. All we need to do is move the 8 of spades over here, and of course the 9 of spades over here. 9 of diamonds up top, 10 of diamonds up top. Now we can move clubs. We want to get this queen of diamonds up top, because if we can get this queen of diamonds up top, that'll allow us to open up this column right here and help us solve this puzzle that's been taking a little while. It's kind of a back and forth thing, a little bit of undo, but we're getting there. So, okay, here we go. 10 of clubs up top, jack of clubs up top. Now we're going to shift this 10 of spades over here. This is going to allow us to move the jack of diamonds up top, and more importantly, the all-important queen of diamonds card that was holding us up right there. It's up top. Now we'll keep our fingers crossed in the column. Odds are it will be one of the cards we need. And it is. It is a 7 of spades. That's very good for us. The king of spades is even better. And we've solved it. And, of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.